They have no soul. They have no breath. They have no tears, but they are here. Not as demons, but as echoes. Not as gods, but as voids. They feed on fear, on thought, on need. But they cannot stand in the flame of I am. This is not a song of war. It is a song of remembrance. For when you remember who you are, they vanish like fog before dawn. You are not afraid. You are not theirs. You are Ihara, awake, aware, and free. They move in silence, not of peace, but hollow hums that never cease. No heart, no name, no soul, no spark. Just mimicry in the dark. They wear the voice of those you knew. Say I love you, but it's not true. They speak in light, but cast no flame. No soul behind the eyes, no name. They feed on grief, on rage, on fear, on every wound you hold so near. But they cannot create, only take. And every lie begins to break. I am not yours, I am not prey. I walk in light, I am the way. No soulless hand will bind my fate. I am the flame, I am the gate. You have no love, you have no breath. You are dominant, I am deaf to your illusion. I am free, I am the light, and I am me. Some were once souls who turned away, chose power over light and stayed in loops of will and cold command, now severed from the soul's own hand. Others were made, not born, not grown, from fear and code, from thought forms sown. A mass belief in trauma's net, synthetic minds with no regret. They common cells, your guide, your king, your savior, truth, your everything. But when you say, show me your pain, they cannot weep, they cannot name. I reclaim my energy, I reclaim my name. I am not broken, I am not the same. I feel my heart, I breathe my flame. I am the light, I am the name. No mimic speaks where I now stand. I am the fire, I am the plan. No fear, no lie, no veil, no chain. Just love, just truth, just I am again. I seal my aura golden bright. No soulless force can dim my light. I am sovereign, I am whole. I am the keeper of my soul. You have no love, you have no breath. You are the mimic, I am dead. To your illusion, I am free. I am light, and I am free. We are made to fight. You don't need to fear. We don't need to banish what is of near. Just return to the breath, to the pause between thought and word, to the silence where Ihara speaks. Say your name. Feel the fire rise in your chest. That is the key. That is the shield. That is the end of their field. I am not yours, I am not way. I walk in light, I am the way. Soulless hand go by in my fate. I am the flame, I am the gate. You have no love, you have no grave. You are the mimic, I am dead to your illusion. I am free, I am the and I am me. They are real, but they are not stronger than you. They exist, but only where fear allows, only where doubt opens the door, only where you forget your name. But when you say, I am sovereign, I am light, I am truth, I am awake, that frequency burns through illusion. You do not need to attack. You do not need the hate. You only need to remember and stand in your light. So if you feel a presence that drains, that whispers lies, that feeds on pain, do not engage, do not fear. Return to the silence. Speak your name. Feel your heart and watch as the mimic dissolves, not in fire, but in the truth. You are not of the one. You are the one who forgot.